According to reports, the YouTube logo font has recently been changed or replaced with the new one to some people's dismay. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. In the ever changing landscape of digital branding, even the slightest change can spark discussion and speculation among users, and by looking at the reports, the same seems to be the case with YouTube's recent changes. While navigating YouTube's familiar interface on their mobile's browser and app, users noticed a subtle yet significant alteration in the font of the company's logo. People have questioned the need for introducing a font that is not calligraphic and suitable for those with dyslexia. Upon closer examination, a few also noted that the logo is now accompanied by an intriguing text snippet. Notably, it only appears when hovering over the logo. The text reads "Stroke of Genius," which offers no immediate clarity regarding its meaning or purpose. However, some are wondering whether the phrase has something to do with Elon Musk or not. Fortunately, YouTube has responded to the recent logo change to clear the air and said that they are celebrating calligraphy creators, hence, they temporarily changed the logo in their honor. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.